Do you remember where you were when Hurricane Gilbert struck Jamaica? Let's dive into the story of one of the most devastating hurricanes in Jamaican history. On September 12, 1988, Hurricane Gilbert made landfall in Jamaica with winds reaching up to 175 miles per hour. This Category 5 hurricane brought destruction on an unprecedented scale. I remember being 2 years old, shielded by the safety of my grandma's arms as she said her prayers. Gilbert caused massive damage across the island. Over 100,000 homes were destroyed, leaving thousands homeless. Entire crops were wiped out, devastating the agricultural sector and causing severe food shortages. The aftermath saw communities banding together, showing remarkable resilience and spirit. International aid poured in, but it was the strength and unity of the Jamaican people that shone the brightest. Hurricane Gilbert left a rememberable mark on Jamaica, but it also highlighted the island's resilience and ability to rebuild. Remembering Gilbert isn't just about the destruction, it's about the strength and unity of Jamaica and its people.